Okay guys, you ready for the house tour? We're in the bathroom. Look how amazing it is, huh? Where's the toilet, you're asking, right? Right there. In the archway. Very nice. And as you can see, we have 2 bedrooms. And then as I spin around here, you can see where the flooding occurred. Very cool. Nice. So we're going to go into the closet. This is the closet. Very nice. Office closet. Very cool. Somehow it all fit in here. And we come out. And then this cabinet was the one that was really moldy. But then we cleaned it. It's got all the things in it. This one's a little hard to get out. This was the dirtiest one. But now it's all clean. I don't want to open the rest of them. There's too much crap. This is the bedroom. Very small, but very nice. And then the closet's pretty small too. Look at that closet. Nice. That's why the other bedroom's a closet. And we come out here. This is where Jesus goes. But it's where Clorox is right now because it's our savior for right now. Here's the pantry. A lot bigger than our Fountain Heights one. It's where the vacuum and broom goes. It's where the other cleaning stuff goes. Had to put these doors on with rye. And here's the kitchen. This is what we did first. And I cooked Alfredo on this stove a couple days ago. Or yesterday, I guess. Yesterday and a couple days ago. Had to steal that microwave from Rye. That's this right here is where the doggy treats are. Little sink, no dishwasher, but that's okay. We just hand wash. And this is the dining area. And Gigi's Foods. Had to put the piano in here because the hallway is gonna get mudded by a guy sooner than later, so it's just gonna be in here for a minute. Oh, and I forgot to mention we put this here because the hallway, like I said, is getting mudded, so it's just in here for now. But it's good. It's a little bit more area to cook with. Got my bell right there and grenade over there. Very cool. And this is the living room. Check it out. Nothing too exciting. Well, I guess these are pretty exciting. They were like $50 and we got 3 of them, so that's awesome. And then the clock. The clock. There's Jesus. He's gonna go where Jesus is supposed to go. But here's the clock. Yeah, and then all those pictures. Haven't hung them up yet, but we're going to. Just waiting for... Oh yeah, and this is on the ground because it's getting all mudded, so that's why. Just haven't really done anything with that yet. But everything else is put away. Ooh, let me show you outside real quick. Wow. This is a cool room. Trust me, it's not where I'm about to get murdered. Oh, it's so dark. It's so dark in here. Why is it so dark? Oh, but now it's so light. These aren't our washer and dryer. They came with the place. Our washer and dryer is upstairs. Up there with Ryan and Taya. They're going to use them. Got the safe with all the guns. Yeah, and then that's the old boiler. but it's not being used anymore because this was just installed. So yeah, it's a little bit of an update, so that's good. All this stuff, paint's back there. That's where we're gonna be painting. We're gonna be painting the hallway. So yeah, we don't do the laundry at night because it's scary in here. Watch. Whoop, whoop. Scary stuff. We'll come in through here. And this is the this is a side door. I'll show you the front door. Oh. Ooh, very nice. See, yeah, this is the front door. This is our views. Giant staircase. There's our front door. I like our door. Very cool. And then there's B-Rec. Yeah. Should we go show him Gigi? I don't know either.
Are you still filming?
Wait, I will show you Gigi. Wait a second. I don't have to go outside to show you Gigi. Because she's probably just right here. The dogs. You see the dogs? The dogs are fighting each other. Oh, dogs. Dogs! Ah, Gigi! The puppy dog. There's my Gigi. Where are the other dogs? There are the other dogs. I'm gonna close it just a little so we don't get the other dog in here. There's Mr. Mav. That's Kit humping Mav. Very cool. Oh, anyway. Kit's pregnant, so I don't know. Just, yeah. Anyways, that's the dog window. Whoa, lock it. Then you come back out here. That thing's so loud too. At night you hear it really loud. So yeah guys, that's it. That's the house. Bye.